What is going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Epic React Flyknit 2 shoes I picked up at Dick's Sporting Goods yesterday for about $119. They were on sale down from $150, so I saved about 30 bucks. After tax, they came out to about $127.95, something around that nature. Nonetheless, these are a really dope pair of sneakers. Great for cross training. You can even dress them up a little bit. They're actually pretty stylish looking. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box here. As with any typical shoe unboxing, there is no wrapping paper around the box to take off. So, drum roll please. Here they are. And these are a really sick pair of shoes. Haven't been worn yet. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the box here and just sort of set them on the counter for you guys so you can see them. I picked them up in a size 12. You can pick them up in any size that fits you, obviously. Like I said, really stylish. I got them in this orange color, orange reddish color, which I think just absolutely pops. You know, these types of colors are definitely in style for working out and for being active. You get the Nike check on the side, which I love. So what you'll notice about these shoes is that the tongue is actually sort of integrated into the shoe of itself. It's not really separate from the shoe. It's supposed to fit your foot like a glove or like a sock almost. So when you do buy these, make sure you do get the correct size. Don't get a half a size low or don't get a half a size up. You know, get them the way they fit. They're the most comfortable that way. Also, some tips for when you're shoe shopping, and especially for shoes that you're going to be using to run in or to walk in or to overall train in or exercise in, you're always going to want the size that you wear. You don't want your foot shifting back and forth. You want your foot to be planted in the shoe and you don't want it to move around. That's how you come across issues like ACL and MCL tears, as well as your meniscus wearing down. You know, you don't want any lateral or bilateral movement. Let me go ahead and show you the bottom of the shoe here. So on the bottom of the shoe, you get this sort of gel-like toe stomp and heel stomp. They're definitely meant for training purposes, but overall for being comfortable. As you can see, these shoes are actually sort of contoured already out of the box. They're not flat-footed by any means. They're already contoured so that when you are running or when you are training, you're automatically going to make that perfect imprint into the ground. You're automatically going to make that perfect step. And actually, if you take a closer look at the shoe, the front impact zone and the rear impact zone are actually raised a little bit over the sole of the shoe. So shoes that are really supportive of my knees and of my feet, and you know, shoes that help keep my foot contoured, are shoes that are really shoes that I look forward to. Even if you don't have knee problems, you know, you can definitely still develop knee problems over the years just by training in the wrong pair of shoes. You know, you don't want to be running around in a pair of Converse or something like that. You want to be running around in something like these. And like I said, you know, when you're not training, these were 120 bucks. They were 130 bucks after tax. You know, you're definitely gonna want to wear these more often than not. And like these are a really stylish pair of shoes. You can definitely dress these up with a nice pair of jeans. Wearing a pair of running shoes with your jeans is definitely in style. These shoes are absolutely stylish. I'm looking forward to wearing them. I love the color. If you don't like the color, you can get them in a myriad of different colors. Just visit Nike's website. I think they had over 10 colors to choose from. Where I picked these up, I picked them up at Dick's Sporting Goods. They had about 3 colors on display. Unfortunately, they did not have more, but you know, that's just what you get when you shop at Dick's Sporting Goods, is They don't have all the colors on display. They have just a few of the most popular ones, and I'm assuming that these are the most popular colors right here. Okay guys, so these were the Nike Epic React Flyknit 2 shoe. You can pick up at Dick's Sporting Goods, or you can also pick them up at Finish Line as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed checking these dope shoes out. If you want me to do more shoes in the future, like pick up some really cool pair of shoes, like if you're someone who is a hype beast and want to get my impressions of something that I've never seen before, or know nothing about, you know, and just want me to get it on the channel so you guys can see it, you know, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely do that. Like, I am not opposed to reviewing different items. So with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and I will see you guys in the next video.